Hello, gents! The last few days I've been doing a lot of woodworking projects with my kids. Why? Because frankly they were spending too much time on their electronics and crap. So I got them out here and we built some cool stuff. First thing we made was this holder for this croquet set. I want you to admire the design. Basically, this design is what my grandpa made when I was a kid. Next thing we built was this table to the exact specifications of the boy. He had an idea in mind for a table that could hold his books, comic books, and stuff. So we built the table. It too is a pretty stout table. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to get hurt. You could dance on this thing. Now I'm going to turn my sights to a project for me, and that is an interior hammock frame. I want to hang a hammock here in this garage. Now, I will routinely hang the hammocks outside on the trees. That's the best way to do it. But sometimes the situation calls for an indoor or in-garage hammock, I've found. Quite often I've been like, you know what? I wish I could just hang the hammock right in here. So that's what I'm going to do next. And following the pattern I've been doing with these other projects, this will also be a very stout build. For those of you building along at home, the recipe is super simple. All you need is two 8-foot length 2x4s and a box of 3-inch screws. The first step is to take each 2x4 and cut it into two 36-inch pieces and two 12-inch pieces. So in the end, you're going to have 4 36-inch lengths and 4 12-inch lengths.
What you making?
A hammock frame. So the idea now is to take the boards and stick them up on the walls on both sides. I'll show you how it works. Ideally, the hammock is going to go right across here. And I'll put these up on the walls there and there. I'll show you how it works. Okay, I'm going to put the first boards up right here now. So as you can see, I've put the two 36-inch boards across here, and they're spread between 3 studs. 1, 2, 3. 2 screws in each. Basically, the idea here is to spread the load out. Next, I'll put the two 12-inch pieces across here, and that's what the hammock will go around. So there's one side done. Now I just got to go do the other side. And just like that, the frame is up. I've got the one right up there, and I've got the other one right up there. Time to hang some hammocks. Works just fine for this little fella. Looks like this green and brown hammock works pretty good. Oh look, pretending to be asleep. Who's in the blue one? Oh, peekaboo. What do you think about the hammock?
I want to sleep in it all night long.
Who's in this hammock? Peekaboo! Do you like having a hammock in the garage, little silly?
I wish I could sleep in it.
Me too. As usual, it's raining outside, but here I am in the comfort of my hammock, almost outside. I beat you this time, Washington weather. Seriously, hammocks are one of my favorite inventions ever. Why don't you watch another video I made about hammocks right up here or here, somewhere around here. See you soon, gents.